How to transform into Heian era Sukuna Jujutsu Shenanigans. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transform into Heian era Sukuna in Roblox Jujutsu Shenanigans. I'll guide you through the exact steps to unlock and master this powerful form. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the game. First, open Roblox and search for Jujutsu Shenanigans version. Once you found it, click play to enter the game. Step 2. Understanding Sukuna's forms. In Jujutsu Shenanigans, Sukuna has multiple forms. To access the Heian era version, you will need to meet specific requirements. Step 3. Meeting the requirements. To unlock Heian era Sukuna, ensure your character is at least level 50. Additionally, you need to collect 10 cursed fingers, which can be obtained by defeating special bosses through the game. Step 4. Unlocking the transformation. Once you've met the requirements, head to the transformation altar located in the Heian temple area. Interact with the altar to unlock the Heian era Sukuna transformation. Step 5. Equipping the transformation. After unlocking, open your inventory, navigate to the Transformations tab, and equip Heian era Sukuna. Now, you're ready to unleash his power. Step 6. Mastering the moveset. Heian era Sukuna comes with a unique moveset, including Word Slash and Malevolent Charm. Practice these abilities in the training area to maximize your effectiveness in battles. And that's how you transform into Heian era Sukuna in Roblox Jujutsu Shenanigans. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. And comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.